Hello, hello. Beautiful morning here in Ahmed. In the end of October, still no rain. Last night there was like a light shower around our area, but it was nothing. We still need to water our gardens simply because soil is too dry. Today we're going to do some technical dive. We're gonna do a 50-meter dive. We're going to Ghost Bay because it's the easiest place to do it. If you're planning to do any technical dives here around Ahmed, it's not like you can do them in any place just because simply we have currents and the current is okay, no problem. We can do technical dives in the currents as well, but the problem is actually that the reef is like a slow and it's going down really gradually in most places, and that's why to do the compression, what you have to always consider, if you go straight up, you gonna just simply drift and you even don't know which direction you're gonna drift, simply because you don't see the reef anymore. That's why when we're planning any technical dive, I'm always considering the place. I'm thinking about why I'm gonna do it. Like for example, we can do it in a Ghost Bay or Secret Wall. We can do it at Gemaluk Wall, we can do it Ahmed Wall. In these places it's probably better to do it from the boat, because if you do it from the shore there is a really long swim out, but in that places it's better. And that's how we're living, diving, and then nothing again. Like it was the last week, last Saturday, Sunday, we were busy with the diving, and then a whole week nothing. So that's why we went all around the island and did some new explorations about the new sites. But that's great actually that we have. Yesterday evening there were so many people contacting me and asking what's going on, Martin, at the moment. Nothing is going on. Absolutely nothing is going on. There are still no any flights to Bali, simply because no any flight company is applying for the flights to straight to Bali. Everybody's still flying through Jakarta. Everybody's doing quarantine in Jakarta. There was 8-day quarantine in Jakarta. Now there is only 5 days. I heard that they're gonna be maybe 2 days quarantine. When they will change it, I'm pretty sure many people will start coming, because at the moment there is, like I said already in a previous episode, there is no point to come and sit in a quarantine, especially it's pretty expensive quarantine, because all these hotels are quite expensive, especially those hotels who got accreditation here in Bali for the quarantine. They are really expensive. Money which they plan to spend for something else, they have to spend for hotel room, which you cannot even leave. So that's why I'm not waiting for the miracle at the moment. That's what I also said to all who contacted me yesterday. I said I don't believe there will be any moment sooner than March, April next year. On one side, when I'm saying these words, it sounds pretty terrifying, because the rain season is coming, and during the rain season we cannot dive wherever we want. Just simply there will be simply terrible diving when the rainwater will start going into the ocean. So, and we really have to think about how we will survive this time. But I'm pretty sure the solution will come, and I think that's it for today. The next episode will be more focused on the technical diving, and about that one tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.